Alright, what's up guys? Got my friend over here. He's got a 250 horsepower Miata, so we're gonna do a little review on it, show you how it rips and everything. And yeah, let's do this. Alright, what's up guys? This is Chris.
Yes, sir.
Homie Chris, that's Chandler. He's got a Subaru.
Oh my god, this thing's crazy.
So we're gonna look at this car. Chris, tell me what's done to it.
So it's 97 Miata, you know, hardtop, just making easy street coilovers with the Admin Storm 1s, I think, 15 by 9s with just Federal 225 RSRRs. It's got a full ISR catback pretty much.
Yeah, how
pretty
big's that
much
tip?
4 inches, maybe?
Jeez. Oh my. Oh yeah, you got a roll bar, huh?
Oh yeah.
I totally forgot about that.
Zarek Fabrication roll bar, Corbu, I forget which seats they are specifically, but then same 4-point harnesses, D&D, performance wheel, just like shift knob, you know, some basic stuff in here.
Basic stuff.
Yeah.
Looks good. Sick. Is this a factory hardtop?
Yeah, it's OEM.
Oh yeah. OEM hardtop. Dope. Alright, pop the engine bay.
No motor delete. Sir.
He's got the rotary in here.
Yeah, basically it is.
Oh whoa, this is new.
Yeah.
ARC, oh my. That's insane.
Alright, tell me what's done to all this.
Alright, so it's a 97 Miata, but it has a 94 block in it. First owner like just completely seized it, so it was like a rebuilt motor. But now we have a 99 head on it. Has a little bit more, a bigger cam, so like bigger, more flow.
Oh really?
It's got Toyota coil-on plugs, and then just like eBay cast iron manifold with a Garrett T28 ball bearing turbo with a billet wheel. Then we just got the Flying Miata heat shield. Flying Miata like also like I guess intake heat shield. eBay boost controller in the corner, all janky.
That's sick.
And then like eBay intercooler and radiator with what do I have? A turbo XS blow off valve, and
Okay.
it's just dyno tuned,
Just dyno tuned.
just ready to go.
Yeah. What kind of fuel?
E85,
Hell
full,
yeah.
no flex fuel.
Sick.
Bullshit. Oh yeah, and then I just put
That's
the
hard.
more so oil catch can in the other day as well.
What does?
It's a must.
So is this the, you have 2 blocks?
Got
2 blocks?
3 actually.
Holy. No
But
way.
yeah,
Yeah, dude, this
That's about
thing's
it.
sick. So is this a kit you put together, or is it?
yeah, it's
eBay,
it's like a mix of eBay and like nice parts, I would say. Kind of like cheaped out where you can.
Yeah.
But yeah.
But you could do this yourself, yeah? In
Oh
your
yeah,
garage.
100% yourself. Yeah. Time.
I'll take the
That's
eBay
sick.
one.
Oh yeah, Mega Squirt ECU.
Oh yeah.
Got it, yeah.
Mega Squirt
cheap
ECU.
And then just AEM boost and AFR gauge.
How? What size injectors do you have?
750cc RC injectors.
750.
And those at the power now are probably like 90% duty cycle.
Okay.
Yeah, nice.
Dude.
Super
All right,
big
let's
on
take
that
this thing for a rip.
dipstick, man.
Alright, let's do it.
Yes.
Super big.
Build dipstick.
Yeah.
Let's go. Oh, let's go. He's so hyped.
Might be cat size, but
Yeah. Gabby, if you're watching this, I think I fit your size. Boom, perfect. Oh my god. Dude. Oh my gosh, look at this Audi take this guy out.
What the fuck are those?
Look at these dudes.
Oh shit, you see that guy swerve? Alright.
Hey, let's go!
Hey man, let's get a burnout, bro. Let's get a burnout, man.
Yeah, let's go, let's go.
Hey, hold on, let me get my phone. Yeah, let me get that, man.
Dude, so gnarly.
Those fools just made the video.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. Thumbs up for Chris's Miata. It's sick, super fast. Follow him, Miata.
Yeah.
And then, yeah, thanks for watching guys.